Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Wrenched Out Reviews. Today we are outside here in Alaska and we're about to do the first test flight since we wrecked the DJI Phantom 4, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so thanks for tuning back in. Again, this is Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews, where we give you guys real feedback on products that we've tested and we use. We try to do the best we can with showing you guys new products, and then of course, as we use them, giving you additional feedback. So today we are getting the Phantom 4 out. This is the first official flight. Now, if you saw the crash video, I show you how we crashed it, and then of course we repaired it. So today we're going to try to get it up in the air and make sure everything's running smoothly. I guess we'll see. There was a stutter when I was flying it before, so let's just get it up in the air and take a look at it. All right, guys, so as you guys just saw, we got it up in the air. It flies around. It's a little funny on flight, and then the gimbal itself was doing, it was a little bit overloaded. So I'm not real sure on why that's happening, but we're gonna take it back apart and we'll see if we can't get that gimbal fixed. So what's actually happening, as you saw in the footage, it's got kind of a stutter, and then it'll actually prompt on the DJI Go 4 app saying gimbal is overloaded. Now, the flight seems to be okay. It also is a little bit spotty, so hopefully we will be able to get this guy tuned back up, and we'll be able to kind of figure out what exactly is going on. Now, it is 17 degrees out here, so it's pretty cold. So we didn't spend a lot of time flying it around. However, we did put it down, restarted it, recalibrated the gimbal multiple times, and then obviously got it back up in the air. We did that about 3 or 4 times. It yielded the same results over and over. In addition to that, we went into the gimbal settings, recalibrated it twice, and then we actually added a little bit of tightening up the roll to see if maybe that would kind of strengthen one side or the other to kind of have it from kind of stuttering a little bit like what it is. So thinking it was either the right or the left, to where it would maybe strengthen it enough to where the roll wouldn't be so apparent. But in this case, it did not work. So this is a fail right now. Hopefully we will get it going because we have a lot of stuff planned for it. We're gonna have to dive into it and figure it out. We're gonna be jumping on forums, we're gonna be jumping on DJI, and we might get a hold of them as well to see what they have to say. Hopefully it's just something as simple as a loose wire or something like that, and it's not the it's not just done for, right? So thank you guys for tuning in. If this is your first time watching Wrenched Out Reviews, we've got a lot of continual videos. The drones, we've got a bunch of new drone footage coming out. We're gonna get the 3DR Solo back up in the air and start flying that. Hopefully we'll get the DJI Advanced running as well. But if you're not into drones, that's okay, because we've also got a lot of firearms and other technology videos coming and available already on the YouTube channel. So thank you guys for tuning in to the Wrenched Out Experiments, Wrenched Out Reviews playlist. And again, please comment below if you enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up so we can keep making great content just like this one. Now, again, we're going to work on this bad boy, and hopefully we'll have a new video out here in the near future on us fixing it. In the meantime, I'm sure we're going to have a lot of other cool things happening soon. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next video.